Hello everyone, my name is Maximus Vincent A. Hines from ABM 11Y1-3 and I'm here to talk about operations on functions. Operations on functions involve combining two or more functions to create a new function. These operations are similar to arithmetic operations on numbers. So what I have here right now is an example of operation on functions on addition. Function f, g, and h are given by f of x is equals to 2x raised to 2 plus 6x minus 3. G of x is equals to 8x plus 1 and h of x is equals to 16x minus 8. Find the following. So we have here is a. First, we're gonna substitute the given. So g is equals to 8x plus 1 and then f of x is equals to 2x raised to 2 plus 6x minus 3. And then we're gonna have to combine it like terms. Since 2x raised to 2 doesn't have a similar variable in this problem, we're just gonna bring it down, and since 6x and 8x have the similar variable, we're gonna combine it. So 6x plus 8x is equals to 14x, and the constants, which is the 3 and 1, negative 3 and 1, so combine it, we're gonna have a negative 2. Why? Because it doesn't have the similar signs, so opposite signs. What we're gonna do is minus it. So 3 minus 1 is equals to negative 2. And we have here the h plus f of x, and we're gonna substitute it. The value of h is equals to 16x minus 8, and then the value of f, which is 2x raised to 2 plus 6x minus 3. Again, combine it like terms. Since 2x raised to 2 doesn't have a similar variable in these givens, I'm just gonna bring it down and combine 16x and 6x. You're gonna have 22x, positive 22x, and then the constants, which is negative 8 and negative 3. Since they're both negative, you're gonna have a negative 11, and we have here c, which is h plus g of x. Again, substitute it. You're gonna have 16x minus 8, which is the value of h, and then 8 of x plus 1, which is the value of g. Combine it like terms. 16x and then 8x, you're gonna have 24x, and then negative 8 plus 1, positive 1, you're gonna have negative 8. Here is another example of operation in functions from addition. Function m, a, x, and I are given by m of x is equal to 3x raised to 3 plus 4x raised to 2 minus 2x raised to 2 plus 1. A of x is equals to x minus 4. X of x is equals to 10x raised to 2 plus 3. And I of x is equals to 2x minus 8. Find the following. First, we have a, which is m plus I of x, and then b, which is m plus a of x, and then c, which is I plus x of x. First, we have a, which is m plus I. Again, substitute the values, which is the value of m, which is 3x raised to 3 plus 4x raised to 2 minus 2x raised to 2 plus 1. And then the value of I, which is 2x raised to 2 plus 8. And then combine it like terms. Since 3x raised to 3 doesn't have the same degree with these givens, with the rest of these givens, we're just gonna bring it down and then combine 4x raised to 2 minus 2x raised to 2 or negative 2x raised to 2. So that would give us 2x raised to 2 or positive 2x raised to 2. And then since we also have 2x raised to 2, another 2x raised to 2 that came from the value of I, bring it down, and then we have the constants which is 1 and 8 that will give us positive 9. And since 2x raised to 2 and 2x raised to 2 have the same degree, we're just gonna combine it again. Since they are both positive, that would give us positive 4x raised to 2. Then bring down the 3x raised to 3 and then positive 9. Next we have b, which is m plus a of x. Again, substitute the givens or values. Since m is equals to 3x raised to 3 plus 4x raised to 2 minus 2x raised to 2 plus 1, and then the value of a, which is x minus 4, and then combine it like terms. 3x raised to 3, bring it down. 4x raised to 2 minus 2x minus 2 raised to 2, sorry, that would give us 2x raised to 2, and then we have another variable here which is x. Bring it down since it doesn't have the same value as this given, and then we have the constants which is positive 1 and negative 4. Combine it, you're gonna have negative 3. And the last one, which is c, which is I plus x of x. Again, substitute the given values. The value of I is 2x raised to 2 plus 8, and then the value of x, which is 10x raised to 2 plus 3. Combine it like terms. 2x raised to 2 and then 10x raised to 2. They both have the same degree, so combine it, you're gonna have 12x raised to 2. And then the constants, which is 8 and 3, both positive, so you're gonna have positive 11. So I'm just gonna leave you guys this example so you could practice it yourselves. Now that we are done to operation on functions on addition, we will proceed to subtraction. Let n, f, and g are functions given by f of x is equals to 6x raised to 2 plus 3x minus 1, and g of x is equals to x plus 4, and n of x is equals to x raised to 2 plus 2. First we have a, which is f minus g of x. Again, substitute the values or given. The value of f is 6x raised to 2 plus 3x minus 1, and then the value of g, which is x plus 4. Here in the subtraction operations of functions, we're just gonna distribute the minus sign to the next or to the following given, which is x plus 4 here. So we're just gonna distribute the negative sign or minus to x and 4. So that would give us negative x and negative 4. And now you can do the combined lines. So x equals to 2 that we have the same degree as this givens, just bring it down. And then we have 3x and x that have the same degree. So combine it, we're gonna have 2x because negative x and positive 3 is equals to 2x. And then negative 1 and negative 4 same sign, so that would give us negative 5. And then we have b, which is f minus n of x. So substitute the given and then distribute the negative sign or minus to the following given, which is x raised to 2 plus 2. That would give us negative x raised to 2 and then negative 2. Combine it like terms, 6x raised to 2 and then negative x 2 would give us 5x raised to 2. Why? Because there is always a invisible 1 over here next to the variable. So next is 3x doesn't have the same degree as this given, just bring it down and then call it that, which is negative 1 and negative 2. That would give us negative 3. And then the c, which is g minus n of x. Substitute the given. The value of g is x plus 4 and the value of n is x raised to 2 plus 2. Substitute, distribute the negative sign or minus to the following term, which is x raised to 2 plus 2. That would give us negative x raised to 2 plus 2. Combine it like terms, bring down the negative x raised to 2, and then bring down the negative x. Just combine the two constants, and then that will give us 6. Just easy as that. Let m, a, x, and I are functions given by m of x is equals to 4x raised to 3 plus 2x raised to 4 minus 5. A of x is equals to x plus 2. X of x is equals to 2x raised to 4 plus 2 plus x raised to 2 plus 2. And I of x is equals to 7x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 3. Find the following. First, we have a, which is m minus x of x. Again, just substitute the values. The value of m is 4x raised to 3 plus 2x raised to 4 minus 5. And then the value of x, which is 2x raised to 4 plus x raised to 2 plus 2. Again, distribute the negative sign or minus, so that will give us negative 2x raised to 4 minus x raised to 2 minus 2. And then combine it like terms, that would give us 4x raised to 3 plus x raised to 4, and then negative x raised to 2 minus 7. Just arrange it from highest degree to lowest degree. That would give you the final answer. Next, we have b, which is x minus I of x. Again, substitute the values. Value of x, which is 2x raised to 4 plus x raised to 2 plus 2. And then the value of I, which is 7x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 3. Combine 2x raised to 4 and then negative 7x raised to 4. But before that, again, distribute the negative sign or minus to the following term, which is 7x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 3. And that will give you negative 7x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 3. And then combine it like terms. Once again, combine 2x raised to 4 and then negative x raised to 4. That would give you negative 5x raised to 4. And then since 2x raised to 3 or negative 2x raised to 3 doesn't have the same degree as this given or term, just copy it and bring it down, as well as x raised to 2 and then positive 2. Then next we have c, which is a minus I. Again, substitute the values that will give us x plus 2, which is the value of I, and then 7x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 3, which is the value of I. And then that's it. We're just gonna have to arrange it from highest degree to lowest. That will give us 7x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 3 plus x plus 2. We didn't change anything, we just changed the arrangement. That's it. Likewise, I'm just gonna leave you guys this problem so you can solve it on your own and practice it.